Most people get this wrong when comparing Solitaire Cash and Blackout Bingo. They focus only on which app pays more. But here's the truth no one tells you. The better app isn't necessarily the one with the biggest prize pool. It's the one that matches your skills and playing style. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Solitaire Cash and Blackout Bingo, how each app works, who they're best for, and which one may give you a better overall experience in 2026. Let's get straight to the answer. Solitaire Cash is better for players who enjoy classic card games and strategic decision-making. Blackout Bingo is better for players who prefer fast-paced action and quick reactions. Both offer opportunities to compete for prizes where available, but they create very different experiences. Starting with gameplay, Solitaire Cash is based on the classic solitaire card game. Your goal is to clear cards efficiently and score as many points as possible. Success depends on strategy, speed, and making the right moves under pressure. Blackout Bingo works differently. Players race against the clock to complete bingo cards, while earning points through quick decisions and accuracy. The pace is much faster. But here's the problem. Many new users download one app, expecting it to feel like the other. That's where disappointment often happens. Take Jake as an example. He loves traditional card games and enjoys planning several moves ahead. Solitaire Cash will probably feel more natural to him. Now look at Alex. He likes fast mobile games that keep him constantly engaged. Blackout Bingo may be the better fit. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The earning potential isn't just about prizes. It's also about how well you perform. If you're highly skilled at Solitaire, you may achieve better results in Solitaire Cash. If you have quick reflexes and enjoy time-based challenges, Blackout Bingo could be a stronger choice. This is where most people fail. They jump into paid competitions immediately without learning the game mechanics first. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest approach regardless of which app you choose. Start with free practice games whenever available. Learn the scoring system. Understand how points are earned. Track your performance over multiple sessions before considering any paid competitions. This helps you understand whether you're improving or simply relying on luck. Another important factor is enjoyment. The best earning app is often the one you'll actually keep playing. If you enjoy the gameplay, you're more likely to improve your skills over time. So which is better in 2026? If you prefer strategy and classic card gameplay, Solitaire Cash is likely the winner. If you enjoy speed, action, and competitive energy, Blackout Bingo may be the better choice. The key takeaway is simple. Choose the game that matches your strengths, practice before spending money, and focus on skill development first. If this comparison helped you decide, hit the like button, subscribe for more app reviews and earning guides, and comment below with your favorite app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.